In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PDF files in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Merging PDFs can make document management so much easier, whether you're consolidating reports, combining study materials, or merging receipts for your taxes. So let's dive right in and see how we can do this step by step using Adobe Acrobat Pro, a powerful tool that many professionals swear by. First things first, open up Adobe Acrobat Pro. You'll want to ensure you're in a comfortable workspace, so take a moment to declutter your desktop if needed. Once it's open, navigate to the top or right side and look for the Tools section. This will be your gateway to the combining feature. Within Tools, you'll see an option labeled Combine Files. Alternatively, you might find Combine Files conveniently listed in the right pane for quick access. Select this, and it will open up a new window specifically designed for compiling documents. Now, with the Combine Files window open, we'll need to add the files you want to merge. You can do this by clicking on Add Files. If you prefer dragging and dropping, that's also an option. Simply drag the PDFs, or even other file types like Word documents, Excel sheets, or image files, into the center area. It's worth noting that Adobe Acrobat Pro offers flexibility by allowing various file types, not just PDFs. Once your files are added, it's time to arrange them in the order you want. This is a great feature because it allows you to customize the sequence to fit your needs. To change the order, click and hold a file thumbnail, then drag it to your desired position. If you want to dive even deeper, you can expand a file thumbnail to view all its pages. Here, you can reorder pages or remove any unnecessary ones before you proceed to merge. Now, after finalizing your arrangement and making sure everything is in place, it's time to combine these documents. Simply click the Combine button. This action merges your selected files into a single, cohesive PDF document. The process is usually quite swift, but might take longer depending on the number and size of your files. Finally, it's important to save your newly merged document so you don't lose your work. Navigate to File in the top menu and select Save As. Choose an appropriate name for your file and select your desired location for saving. This ensures you can easily access your merged document whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully combined PDF files using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Merging documents in this way can considerably streamline your workflow and keep your digital files organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.